My hair is messy, but I can't do anything about it. Oh, it's raining outside. Nice. I love when it's raining. It's so calming. So, back to the plan today. Depending on the weather, we're gonna go for a jog later, but I don't know if it's gonna stop raining. I have to feed our pig, whose name is George, so I'm gonna record that, I'm gonna show you. I have to clean his, then I'm gonna feed him. Then I have to pick some grapes. Hopefully everything goes on plan. And I'm not distracted by the rain outside. I'm gonna make coffee now, take a quick shower, and I'll see you later. Oops. Just wanted to give you a quick update, guys. I just had my lunch and I'm gonna start getting ready to go and feed the pig, George. That's his name, remember? And then I'm gonna see if I can pick up some grapes. It's not raining anymore, so that won't be a problem. I can see there is a bit of a sunshine as well. I just wanted to give you an update, and I shall see you in a bit, right? Bye bye. Hello, piggy piggy. George. Hi, George. George, look. Shoo, shoo. So yeah, George is gonna eat it right now. George is hungry, and now it's time to feed George. So now we're gonna pick some grapes. But as much as I want to pick some grapes, I can see that it's very rotten. So I don't think so. It smells like wine. Doesn't look good at all. You can see it's all rotten. Look at that. That's not good at all. found some. It's not bad. There's another one. Look at that. Georgius. As you can see, we have some grapes. It's not the great, but it still works. Beautiful. Beautiful. Shoo, 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 shoo. Fed the pig, just picked the grapes, and now I'm gonna show you a little bit more of our street animals. It's my grandmother's. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Now I'm gonna show you my little cousin's turtle doves. Look at those beautiful turtle doves. My cousin's birds. I'm not so huge fan of birds being in a cage, but they're not mine, you know. Oh, and there's our little friend Archie, the small Archie. Archie, how are you today, my friend? Archie. Cute boy, cute boy. And then we have a hunter's dog. His name is Piero. Just finished all the work and now I'm gonna go and see what I have done so far. And I'll keep you updated. That's my little cousin here. Say hi.
Hi.
Good boy. Thanks for being with me today. And I'll see you later, right? Bye for now. Say bye.
Bye.
I just forgot, but Leo, he wants to say bye-bye as well. Leo, have a look at the camera. Leo. Ooh, look at those beautiful eyes.